Welcome to Narrative English. In this video, you'll hear 100 common English questions that people use every day. These are simple and easy to understand. Great for anyone who wants to speak better English. If you watch till the end, you'll learn new words and better ways to talk in real life. Let's start the conversation.
Hello? How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
How's it going?
Pretty well, just a little tired today.
What's your name?
My name is Emma. What's yours?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Australia. Do you like living in Canada?
Yes, I really like it. It's beautiful and peaceful.
What language do you speak at home?
Mostly English, but sometimes French too.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old. You?
I'm 26. Are you a student or do you work?
I'm a student. I'm studying business.
That's interesting. What do you do for a living?
I'm a graphic designer. What about you?
I'm a teacher. Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I really do. It's creative and fun.
What are your hobbies?
I love painting and hiking. How about you?
I like playing the guitar and reading books.
That's cool. What kind of books do you read?
Mostly mystery novels. What kind of music do you like?
I like soft rock and classical music.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer on weekends.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I might go hiking with some friends. You?
I'm planning to visit my parents.
That sounds nice. Do they live nearby?
Yes, just an hour away. Do you often visit your family?
I try to, at least once a month.
Do you like spending time outdoors?
Yes, I love nature and fresh air.
What's your favorite food?
Definitely pizza. What about you?
I love sushi. Do you cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking simple meals.
Can you help me with this form?
Sure, no problem. What do you need help with?
I don't understand this question.
Let's look at it together. I'll explain.
What's your opinion about social media?
It's useful, but sometimes too distracting.
I feel the same. Do you use it a lot?
Not really, just to stay in touch with friends.
What do you like to do when you're bored?
I usually watch videos or go for a walk.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I like it. It's fun and useful.
What did you do today?
I had classes in the morning and worked in the afternoon.
Did anything interesting happen?
Yes, I met an old friend after a long time.
What are you reading these days?
I'm reading The Alchemist. It's inspiring.
Have you heard of that book before?
Yes, I read it last year. It's a classic.
What kind of shows do you like?
I enjoy comedy and documentaries.
What are you watching now?
I'm watching Friends. It's really funny.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Sometimes. I like self-improvement ones.
Do you follow the news?
I try to keep up with major stories.
What's your favorite color?
Blue. It's calming. What about you?
I like green. It reminds me of nature.
Nice. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it. Where have you been?
I've visited Italy, Japan, and Turkey.
That's amazing. Which one was your favorite?
Japan. The culture is so interesting.
Do you prefer the beach or the mountains?
I prefer the mountains. They are peaceful.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 7 a.m. You?
I wake up at 6:30. Do you have a morning routine?
Yes, I stretch, make coffee, and check emails.
Do you take the bus or drive?
I usually take the bus. It's easier.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm. A perfect day.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes. They are cozy if I'm at home.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat toast and eggs.
Do you want to grab lunch?
Sure. Where do you want to go?
How about that cafe on Main Street?
Sounds good. Let's meet at noon.
Would you like to join us this weekend?
Yes, I'd love to. What's the plan?
We're going to the park for a picnic.
Great. I'll bring some snacks.
Can I ask you a question?
Of course. Go ahead.
Do you remember my name?
Yes, you are Alex.
What did you learn today?
A few new English phrases and words.
Did you practice speaking today?
Yes, I talked with a friend.
Do you want to learn more idioms?
Yes. They make English more fun.
What's your favorite way to learn?
Watching shows and speaking with friends.
Are you ready to keep learning?
Absolutely. Let's keep going.
Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something new today. Did you enjoy the conversation? Let us know. To improve your English, practice daily, speak out loud, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. See you in the next video.